Yo, Drumsticks and Greens, episode 4. Alright, we gonna get into it with a dope classic dish with my twist on it. You guys ever have carbonara? I'm gonna add some salmon to it, some Cajun flavor to it to bring some Louisiana bits. I think you guys are gonna think it's dope. First, boil our noodles. We have some noodles that I used before, and these noodles are good because they're thin. They're gonna soak up a lot of flavor, and they're gonna take up a lot of that sauce that we're gonna build carbonara. So we're gonna boil the spaghetti with the olive oil and some sea salt. Okay. You want to salt this water a good amount because we want the noodles to have some flavor to it, and I also want to put some pepper because that's what I want to do. And we have our fresh salmon. Jose, look at that.
It's a nice cut.
Look at the,
Beautiful.
oh. So we're gonna take the skin off of the salmon. We're gonna make it into cubes, okay? You can feel it, Once you get something like, that you can hold, and then, just cut along, just cut along. No, I'm not gonna do that. We just wanna make sure there's no bones in here. We wanna go around. I feel like I'm spreading. Hey, hello, if you wanna go outside, take your umbrella and wash your face with it.
Well, how is this guy?
Right. Now, let's add our seasonings to the salmon. So first we're gonna chop it up, okay? Got a slice right there. Another slice. Another slice. Put it in a bowl, whatever. Now, olive oil, salt, pepper. A nice bit. Now, our Creole seasoning, okay? In there. A nice, good, gracious amount. Paprika. Cajun seasoning. Just a little bit. It's also gonna go on this butter, so it's gonna be crazy. So anyway, get those infused.
No, God! No!
God, no! God, please. Oh, God. No! No!
He's like, yo, Manny's been going off. I was like, oh, that's what's up, man.
Right.
That's what's up.
You can get ingredients to cook from anywhere, bro, and like
Yeah.
you be good. Like you don't know. A lot of these restaurants use pretty much the same ingredients from the supermarket or from a farmer's market. So like, unless it's something from like another country or something crazy,
Yeah.
then bro, like you good.
And if you're allowed to take stuff back, that's the best. Like, you go somewhere else far away and you bring like an ingredient back or something.
Yeah, and they let you bring it through customs
Yeah.
and stuff. Oh my gosh, you
They
be like,
took some
oh,
shit from me.
bro.
When I went to Mexico, dog, I had a break of mole, dog, like frozen, and they took it from me at customs.
No way.
And I got it from where like mole is like big in Mexico, like
Yeah.
It broke my heart, dog.
Yeah.
I was like, I was gonna go home and cook my ass off with that shit, but
You was like, oh. Now for our pasta. We'll put that in there. It's gonna chill. It's gonna hang out. And they're gonna get acquainted with each other. They're gonna meet. They're gonna have lunch. And then they're gonna die in my stomach. And that's how it works. Now, also what I wanna add to the pasta is oregano. I have this oregano in the noodles. So once you taste the noodles and taste all the flavor, then it's gonna hit you. You're gonna be like, whoa, what's that, nigga? It's oregano. It's not weed. It's not oregano. Cause Reggie weed smell like oregano. Now, for the salmon, we're gonna preheat our pan. My special. This hot enough already because my burners are burning.
That's hot.
This is our salmon. So amazing. The fats in it are crazy. We'll do it right now. Ooh! that herb oil that I smell right now. Oh my gosh. Yo. Now we're gonna add some thyme, some fresh thyme. Right, you know what I'm saying? You can add a couple little leaves in there. I'm gonna put that in the dish. Let's put our oven to 250 right now. We'll take our salmon, we'll flip it over. Once we see that it started to brown on one side, all right? Get it a dark brown because when we flip it over, it's gonna cook evenly, all right? Oh, geez. Oh, yes. I did that. I did that. Heat off. Boom. All right. Nice. Nice sear on those salmon. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my. You know what? Let's add some garlic to the salmon. We're going to wrap this up pretty soon, baby. Just like this. All right. All we're going to do is baste this right now. I'm gonna baste this with this butter sauce, right? We're gonna put this in the oven. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Now, put this in the oven. 200 degrees, 250, chill out. Now our noodles should be done. Noodle! Do the noodle dance. All right, cool them. Now, let's strain our noodles. Ah! Fuck this out. Let them drain, don't touch it. Luckily, I have Szechuans. It's like one peppercorn in here. Oh, this sucks. Oh, this is crazy. Because pepper is like one of the main key ingredients in this dish. And Szechuan peppers is Asian. And it has nothing to do with Italian. But because I don't have black peppercorns, it can be interesting. An interesting flavor. Yeah, because that's all I have. Because, like, even if, like, a food person was to see me do this and be like, oh, he didn't put black pepper. Like, black pepper is, like, the essential ingredients in this dish. Pan on. Now we're going to start the good part. We're going to build our sauce. Pancetta. Salted pork. Not your hickory bacon, but it's from the pork belly. It's called pancetta. It's very good. It's used in this dish for carbonara, right? So now we have our Szechuan basil olive oil. Boom. It also has garlic in it. Okay? That's all we do. That's all we do. We're gonna start to brown it. Now we're gonna add our garlic. Looking great and amazing. Now we're gonna add a bit of Szechuan. Let's take our salmon out and let's let it rest and let those juices juice it and do its thing. While this is still hot like this, we want to add our noodles to the pancetta. Figure out what it needs. Okay, we'll add some herb butter. Okay, we're gonna add some salt and pepper. Right, now, what we're gonna do, and this is the best part of pancetta. This is like what everybody can't wait to do. Is you take this off of the burner, you sit it on a glove, okay? And while it's hot, you crack an egg right on top of the pasta. Because this is drumsticks and greens, I'm gonna use chopsticks. Drumstick chopsticks. And it's gonna make its own sauce, its own lovely, decadent, delicious sauce not only is it gonna do that, but when we add this Parmesan, Pecorino, Romano cheese, and the Szechuan pepper, it's gonna also bring this whole dish into a flavor crazy frenzy. Oh my gosh, look at that egg. It's egg yolk, Parmesan cheese, pepper, garlic, and amazingness in this sauce that's just incredibly amazing. So we're gonna start to bring this to a head. My soul loves Jesus. Alright, I'll be back.
You toss the egg on top?
Oh yeah, bro.
I was like, alright.
Oh yeah.
I took it up to the next
Next level.
Sheesh. And she touches.
Drop 6 degrees! Drop 6 greens.
Got you.
Episode 4.
You're not gonna try it?
We in here. Oh jeez, I have to try it.
Yeah.
Episode 4. We going in. We are going in. Light, decadent. This is so big, like I'm gonna be tired at 12.
He just made me this beautiful pasta right here. And I'm blessed. Let me give it a little taste. Incredible. Flavor, really tasty. Salmon's great. Man. Salud.